Diesel power, 18 wheels are rolling as I pull it on to the interstate. I got 13 hours to make my destination, and I don't want to stop to check my weight. There won't be no sleep for me tonight, no. I gotta be hitting Tulsa by first morning light. I'm a prisoner of the highway, yeah, driven on by my restless soul. Call me a prisoner of the highway, imprisoned by the freedom of the road. I run freight out of Wheeling, West Virginia, and U.S. Steel from Bethlehem. I drove tobacco out of the Carolinas, California wines into Birmingham. Some people work just to survive, yeah. But up here in this cab, that's when I'm most alive. I'm a prisoner of the highway, yeah, driven on by my restless soul. Call me a prisoner of the highway, imprisoned by the freedom of the road. Oh yeah! Living back in Tennessee, and she tries to understand the way I feel. And I could give my hands to another line of work, but my heart would always be behind the wheel. Call me a prisoner of the highway, you're driven on by my restless soul. I'm a prisoner of the highway, imprisoned by the freedom of the road. Don't you know I'm a prisoner of the highway, you're driven on by my restless soul. Call me a prisoner of the highway, imprisoned by the freedom of the road. Let's roll! Prisoner